Location-based apps are key for gaming, navigation, and connecting with others. If Lexa Fake GPS feels limited, here are 7 better alternatives offering stronger privacy, smoother performance, and more customization. Top 1. Virtual Location Tool. For users who prefer precise control over virtual movement, Virtual Location Tool provides a flexible way to simulate locations worldwide. It supports instant teleportation as well as realistic route planning for smoother app interaction. How can you fake GPS location on your phone using Virtual Location Tool? Start by downloading and installing the Virtual Location application on your computer. Once the program is launched, click on Get Started from the main menu. Connect your device via USB and let the software detect it. Select Teleport Mode, enter the location, and click Move to update your location. Top 2. Fake GPS Location Spoofer. When convenience matters most, Fake GPS Location Spoofer delivers quick setup and stable performance. With just a few taps, users can switch between cities or countries effortlessly. Top 3. GPS Joystick Location Changer. Designed for more interactive control, GPS Joystick Location Changer introduces manual movement through on-screen navigation. This approach creates more natural travel patterns for location-based applications. Top 4. Fake GPS. For those who value simplicity, Fake GPS offers a straightforward method to change locations without complex settings. Coordinates can be entered manually or selected from a map interface. The app remains stable across various Android versions and devices. Top 5. MocPOGO Fake GPS Location. Focused on gaming and exploration, MocPOGO Fake GPS Location provides specialized tools for simulated movement. It allows point-to-point jumping and route walking for better in-game progression. Top 6. GPS Emulator. Users seeking detailed customization may find GPS Emulator especially useful for advanced simulation. It enables precise coordinate input and continuous signal transmission. Top 7. Fake GPS Running. For smooth tracking during virtual travel, Fake GPS Running emphasizes real-time movement simulation. Speed control and path customization help match real-world walking or running patterns.